You know when you see a robot fail at something simple, like trying to pick up a cup and just knocking it over instead? Most of the time, it's not because the robot's hardware is bad. It's because the robot has no clue how the physical world actually works. It's just following a script, not thinking for itself. But Google DeepMind just dropped something called Gemini Robotics-ER 1.6, and it's designed to fix exactly that. It's trying to connect digital smarts with real-world action. This isn't just another AI update. It's a model that puts reasoning first, giving robots the kind of spatial and visual awareness they've always been missing. Today, I want to walk you through why this is a big deal, whether we're talking about factory floors or your future robot roommate. First up, spatial reasoning and pointing. To get why this matters, you have to understand pointing. For a robot, pointing is the foundation of knowing where things are. It's how it figures out where to grab an object or how to move without smacking into a wall. Gemini Robotics-ER 1.6 is way more precise at this than older versions like ER 1.5 or Gemini 3.0 Flash. And that level of precision is literally the difference between a robot that's useful and one that's just a hazard. Then there's success detection, what DeepMind calls the engine of autonomy. One of the most frustrating things about current robots is that they'll finish a task totally wrong and not even realize it. So success detection is the logic that lets the robot know, did that work? Should I move on or try again? The tricky part is that most robots use multiple cameras, one on the wrist, one on the ceiling. This new model uses multi-view reasoning to combine all those different angles into one clear picture. So in practice, the robot can watch itself put a pen into a holder from two different views and know exactly when it's 100% done, even if one camera is partially blocked. Now for the coolest new feature, instrument reading. They developed this with Boston Dynamics for their robot Spot to do industrial inspections. Picture an old-school factory with analog pressure gauges, thermometers, and glass tubes with liquid levels. For most AI, reading those is a nightmare because of glare and weird angles. Gemini Robotics-ER 1.6 handles it with something called Agentic vision. Instead of just passively looking, it takes active steps. It zooms in on the gauge to see tiny tick marks, runs some code to calculate the needle's reading, and then uses its general knowledge to figure out the units, like PSI or Celsius. So the robot can walk through a facility and check all the equipment on its own. And of course, we have to talk about safety. This is officially Google's safest robotics model so far. It's much better at following physical safety rules, like don't handle liquids or don't pick up anything heavier than 20 kilograms. But it's not just about following rules, it's also better at spotting hazards. When they showed the model video clips of real-life injury scenarios, Robotics-ER was about 10% more accurate than standard Gemini 3.0 Flash at identifying actual risks. That makes it way more realistic for environments where robots and humans work side by side. So yeah, we're finally moving toward robots that don't just follow a line on the floor, they actually understand what's around them. Gemini Robotics-ER 1.6 is a huge step in that direction. If you like this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI stuff. Thanks for watching.